Enabling two-factor authentication on your Merrill Edge account is an important step to enhance your security. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Merrill Edge website and log into your account using your username and password. Ensure you are on the official site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or security settings section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account profile. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Look for an option labeled two-factor authentication or two-step verification. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your authentication method, you will likely receive a verification code. Enter this code to confirm your choice, then save your changes. Make sure to log out and test the two-factor authentication by logging back in. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Merrill Edge account, adding an extra layer of security to your financial information.